Hello, teacher and parent, cordial greeting. My name is Maria Sequeda. In this opportunity, I want to share my answer to a random question. Describe your perfect day. The perfect day for me will be a vacation day with my family in which we call to the following activities. Get up at thank you God, have a fruit salad for breakfast and share it at the table with my family, have a pizza dish for lunch with my family, sit at the table at chair with them. Listen to music, one of my favorite hobbies, playing micro soccer with my family to have fun and enjoying with them. Go with my family to a swimming pool, go shopping with my family, go for a walk with my family, go to church with my family, and traveling with my family to a small towns, watching TV with my family. Other activities are dinner with a vegetable, a soup, reading a story before bed, then with my family, make a face with my family to listen and laugh. This moment share with the love ones that I love the most are the ones that will make my life the perfect and most beautiful day of my life. A perfect day for me is being able to share with my loved ones, being able to play, have fun, laugh, and spend incredible, unforgettable moments, and spend everything that is done with the people we love, and no matter how small they are beautiful and never result from or mend you. When I think of the perfect day for me, if it's sometime that makes me happy, that is going to be an unforgettable day, and that's why it will really be for me to be able to share and enjoying it with my family. Uh, uh, Howard, my support, my motivation, and little word, my everything. Thank you, teacher, for your attention.